Welcome to the introductory tutorial video for Hipster, a premium Joomla 2.5 and Joomla 3 template. Hipster takes its inspiration from the ever-growing fashion stores, especially the discount retailers. This is a very common thing lately with all the discount shops that are out there that are popping up every day. Is a splash page. A lot of these stores basically start you off with a splash page with a limited menu up here and then log in and register, because what they want to do is they want to force you to go ahead and register an account before you can actually get into the shop. That way they can collect your email and get all of your information so they can market to you as soon as you get into their shop. But for the demo here, we set it up with all the menu links up here. Since it is a demo, if you want to use this splash page, you can easily just set up maybe a home link or a about link, and that's it for the home page. And then once they register, you go ahead and switch out the menu module for a registered menu module and go ahead and show them all the active links. So let's go ahead and check out the different styles here, because the biggest change here in the styles is this big background that we have. So this is style 1. Let's check out style 2 and style 3, style 4, style 5, and style 6. As well, let's go back here to style 2 and let me show you what we did here for the login and register. The login goes ahead and uses the same background that you select for your front page background and has a very nice styled login. As well, we've done the same to the registration and all the other parts of the COM user. We've created these special overrides so you can have a really nice looking login and registration other than just the standard Joomla login. So let's go ahead and, since it is an e-commerce template, let's check out the shop features. This is the Joomla 2.5 version, and as you see, we have Virtuemart and J2 Store. Virtuemart is only for Joomla 2.5 right now, so J2 Store is the only e-commerce solution that is included in the 3 version. So let's go ahead and look at the shop here, Virtuemart in J2.5. So here we have a nice big banner, and this is just a core Joomla banner, and basically it will switch out when you refresh the page to different ones. Let's see here, let's refresh and see what we get. We get the same one, and let's try refreshing again. And there it switches. It is set to random, so it's going to just randomly pick. So it won't always switch to a different one. It'll just randomly pick one. But we've included quite a few different banners in there for you, so you can customize them and make a really nice top banner there. And then here next, underneath that, this is our Virtuemart category wall. And this links to the 2 categories for women's and for men's. And then we have some more banner links down here, and these are just banner modules using the core Joomla banner component. And so as we get into the shop, this is the Virtuemart homepage. When you go ahead and you select your menu here, you're going to want to select the Virtuemart homepage and go ahead, and for this one we just have the featured products. The homepage also includes your top 10, your recently viewed, and other views like that. But for this demo, we've just selected the featured products. Now, having shown you the home page that we have with the splash page, you could easily go ahead and just set your shop to the default home. So if you just wanted to have no splash page, you can just make this your home page very easily in the Joomla menu. So over here on the left, we have the core Virtuemart category menu, as well another category menu here for the men's and the women's, the Virtuemart shopping cart. We have the login form, which is core in Joomla, and we have a custom HTML module here in left for an advertisement. These are also custom HTML modules down here for more banners that are not clickable. And then we have our bottom 1 through 4, and these are just core Joomla menus with menu links here for your shop information, maybe your replacement information, policies, and contact. And here on the bottom we have our disclaimer in the footer position, and we have our socializer wall here in the legals position. So let's go ahead and check out the Virtuemart product page. And here on the product page, we've gone ahead and we have the like Facebook, the Google Plus, and we have the related over here and the categories here. Here's your selector for the size, add to cart, ask a question, the reviews, and you're back to the category. And as you see, it's all styled very nicely. Your email and your PDF and everything core inside of Virtuemart. So let's go ahead and look at our other shop option. This is going to be J2 Store. And we basically built the same homepage here for J2 Store. This is the banner module again, and these are just custom HTML modules here that have a direct link to the categories that we want. And then again, we have our banners here. And now we have the J2 Store. And all this is this is Joomla content. J2 Store is a free e-commerce solution that will basically take your Joomla content and it will allow you to add a cart feature for your Joomla content. So it's pretty simple. If you understand Joomla content, then this is a really simple way to do things. And what we've gone ahead and done here with our overrides is we have created a special category blog view that you can select when you select your menu item to give it this nice look here with all this styling for the sizes, the add to cart, and everything. So basically you can have a different view here for your category blog if it's going to be a category blog or if you're going to use the J2 Store. So over on the left we have just the core Joomla modules here for the menu modules for shop men's, shop women's. We have the J2 shopping cart, again the login form, and again we have our custom HTML banner ad here and the two custom HTML banner ads here, the same modules at the bottom. And let's go ahead and let's check out one of these items here. And as you see, we do have little tags that you can put in here, and these are just div classes put into the intro text, and we've got them for a bunch of different styles. You know, the pick of the week, new, percentages off, and you can read all about that in the full documentation. So we'll go ahead and select this shirt here, and we styled this as close to Virtuemart as possible, giving you your category selection, your style selections, your add to cart, print and PDF. And again, this is just a Joomla content article, but to get a different view for the Joomla content, we've gone ahead and made a special alternative layout called default shop that you select inside of the article manager and the article options at the bottom. So if you want to get this layout, you can go ahead and use this layout. Again, we are using the core Joomla content, so it's very easy to put this to the left or to the right or on top just by selecting where you want it to be in the article image parameters. You can have it to the left, to the right, or none, and that would just probably put it on top for you there depending on what your markup is. So let's go ahead and check out our pages now, and these are just core Joomla content. Here's your basic 2-column blog type of style. Then we've got the news, where we've shown you a 4-column look, and the blog, which is a single column look. And over here on the right, we have the ad again, we have a shopping cart, more articles, which is just our Deluxe News Pro, and another banner ad. We can go ahead here and select this article to see the article view. As you see, this article was created with a WYSIWYG editor, so everything in here was done with a WYSIWYG editor, so you can be assured that if your client is using the WYSIWYG editor, everything's going to look right and nice, and you don't really have to mess with the HTML too much unless you want to do some custom markup in the HTML view. So we also have our portfolio views, which is the center large, right large, and our left large classes for the page classes. And this is basically just gives you a nice little portfolio view. We don't have any of the additional stuff on, just the image here. So you can go ahead and see the article and the layout. And then we do have our other styles. Here's the center. For this one, we went ahead and turned on the rest of the article features. So you've got your category and read more. And we'll check out another one here. Here's the left. And we've created a page here using our image gallery plugin, where we just call a image gallery from the article just by using our tag in there, calling the images from the images folder. And here's that view. And these do a nice little pop-up here, modal window, and you can scroll through it. And then we have our basic Joomla stuff here, the login form, the search, the contact, the wrapper, and we've also included a little 404 page for you. And we've already seen the login form and the styles. So that basically sums up what Hipster is about and how it works. In the next video, I'm going to go ahead and show you the basic administration on the back end as far as setting up article pages and a little bit about Virtuemart. If you need some more information about Virtuemart, you can go to virtuemart.net, as well as the J2 store is j2store.org. So I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.